Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do a video that's a little different from what I usually do. I am on a low buy for 2019 and I was thinking about some products that I want to maybe purchase next year in 2019. I'm being more selective of what I want to buy. And so I was just sitting and thinking about some items I would like to try, some brands I haven't tried, and I just thought I would share them with you. I picked 9 brands since it is going to be 2019. I chose 9 brands of cosmetics that I have not tried that I would like to try. Some of these I will really want to try more than others. So some of them I know I will probably purchase something of theirs in the coming year. And if I don't purchase from all of them, that's fine. These are just some I'm kind of interested in. Some I'm really interested in. I have them in a list and they're in no particular order. I just wrote them down as I thought about it. The first 3, I think I really want something from those brands. And then the others, if I get something, fine. If I don't, that's fine. But the first one on my list is Charlotte Tilbury. Can you believe I don't own anything from Charlotte Tilbury? I haven't tried anything of Charlotte Tilbury. And I want to try her foundation. There's just so many things. She has some beautiful lipsticks. So I know I'm probably going to treat myself something Charlotte Tilbury next year. I'm thinking foundation, because you know I love foundations. So I'm thinking I might try one of her foundations. If you have tried anything of Charlotte Tilbury that you absolutely love and you think I will love, list it down below. I'm going to do that with all of these brands I'm going to mention. You got that favorite product, that Holy Grail, that's by one of these brands, let me know so I can go check it out. Next, number 2 on my list, and I might get this first, Natasha Denona. I have my eye on some of her eyeshadow palettes, but especially the Safari palette. It's a totally matte palette, and I want it. I might treat myself to that for my birthday. The Safari palette. Also, the Lila palette looks really nice, but it looks like so many other eyeshadow palettes I have. And also the gold palette is really nice. But there again, I'm thinking I probably already have a lot of those shadows. Okay, 3rd on my list, Viseart. Those are some expensive palettes as well. But I think I want, well, I don't think, I know I want a Viseart palette. I want to try Viseart. So that's on my list. Now, then the rest on my list are in no particular order. And if I get something, like I said, from these brands, that's fine. If I don't, that's fine. There may be some controversy with some of these brands. Like my next one on my list is Jeffree Star. I know probably a lot of you do not like Jeffree Star. I don't really get into the drama. I try to not watch the drama channels. Every once in a while, I kind of get drawn in a little bit. I did see the Shane Dawson Jeffree Star videos, and it made me look at Jeffree maybe a different way. Not that I was looking at him in a bad way. I really have no qualms with Jeffree Star. And if you do, that's fine. That's fine. But I would like to try some of his cosmetics. I would like to give him a try. Next, Wayne Goss. I want a Wayne Goss brush. They're very expensive, but I'm sure they're great brushes. I want at least one. I want to have at least one in my collection. So yeah, Wayne Goss. Next, Dominique Cosmetics. I just discovered her YouTube channel this year. And I love when she does the half faces, you know, the American side and then whatever other nationality she's doing. I love those videos. I think they're great. And she now has a second eyeshadow palette out, and I think some lips products. I really want to check out her products. I would love to try them out myself. Probably a palette, maybe a lip, I don't know. But yeah, Dominique Cosmetics. I think I really like her. I really like her channel, so I think I would like her products. Next, I can't believe I own nothing. Kevin Aquan. I own nothing. I have his books. I don't have any of his cosmetics. I think part of me, I know this might sound a little strange, but I know he's no longer with us. So I know his company is making these products, but I don't feel like he is part of it anymore. I feel it's just they're just using his name. I think that's why I've kind of held back a little bit and not jumped right in and spent money on Kevin Aquan products. But I would like to try something. I do wish he was still here with us. I think he was a magnificent artist. Great, great makeup artist. And it's a shame he's no longer with us. But I would like to try something from Kevin Aquan. There's a foundation I might need. A Kevin Aquan foundation. Next is Inglot. That's new to me. Inglot is new. I just found it recently. And it looks like they have a lot of nice products. So I would really like to try something from Inglot. I don't have anything. And then the last, number 9 on my list, is Lime Crime. I like the name, Lime Crime. But I like how colorful their packaging is. And I would like to try something Lime Crime. I think maybe a palette. I don't know. Lips. They do lip products. So anyway, that's the 9 companies I would like to try something in the coming year. Is there any companies that you would like to try that maybe are not on my list or that are on my list? And again, if you've tried anything from any of these brands and you absolutely love it, you got to let me know so I can check it out. Because right now, there's nothing I absolutely feel I need except maybe that Natasha Denona Safari palette. I think that's a need. But everything else I'm pretty open to what I might try. So, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Again, leave comments down below. Can't wait to hear what you guys have to say. And if you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. So, thank you all for watching. I'll see you next time.